Hi, this is Kerry Artag with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your weekly Bitcoin analysis for the week of Monday, February 23rd, 2026. I'm going to show the same weekly chart throughout. This one goes back, almost 10 years. In this channel top at 87,365 is still significant resistance, especially when you combine it with this channel bottom, this 3-year channel bottom that is a little higher at 87,992. If you recall, it was the settlement the week of January 26th below both of these at the same time that set up a significant sell signal. We almost reached our objective, and that is this 58,720 structure, a more significant support level because it spans all the way back to 2017. So, this is a 8-year, nearly 9-year channel bottom. 720, much more significant than the 3-year channel bottom, the steeper line at 87,992. If there's an area to buy Bitcoin long term, which is to say through all of 26 and even in the later decade perhaps, it is 58,720. I don't know if we'll see it anytime soon, but it is there for bottom picking. And from here, we can round up into the upper 80,000 area within several months and even on into the 120s within a matter of a full year of trade. The upper 120s, once again, I'll go back. This is a full wave count that we tested repeatedly, if you recall, July and August and October of last year. A minus B plus A. These are exhaustion points for just about any market as it reaches an equilibrium. The 2021 high minus the 22 low. You flip that on its head, 100% to the upside, and you've got 122,433. This area in play over the next year or two. Let me just round up to year or two, holding above that 58,720 level. That's how significant this is. We could rally all the way back into this high area within a year or two, similar to this structure here. Let's take a look at other support levels in that vicinity. We also have a rising 2/3 speed line projected off the 22 low. I call that the slippage factor below 58,720. 57,424 to 58,720 is a base of support that can absorb selling through the rest of the decade. If we were to close below 57,424 in the coming month, 2 or 3. I see this as, that Bitcoin is just going to lose its luster and will likely then continue south into this red zone here, this 2017 high that is 19,285. You've got the 22 pullback low of 15,795. This would be likely. And I just can't see us recovering out of this. We can still recover nicely through the rest of the year above this 57,424 to 58,720 region. And inside of all that, I do have what I would call kind of the mid-70s, low to mid-70s. You've got this high at 73,791. That was March of 24. You've got this pullback low of April of 25 at 74,412. So if you're looking for kind of a pivot point, this is like a 3 to 5 week swing trade, selling the 74,000 area and aggressively buying the upper 50s, 58,720. The inverse is also possible, buying in the upper 50s if you're a 3 to 5 week swing trader, selling the low to mid 70s. Closing above 74,412, you can kiss goodbye the possibility of testing 58,720 between now and the end of the second quarter, because over the following 1 to 3 months, I would expect this rising channel bottom at 87,992. We're heavy still. We have yet to test long-term support. I do want to mention and add that the U.S. dollar, as you may be well aware, the month of January, this is a monthly chart, did settle below an 18-year channel bottom. I am still anticipating over the next, this could be 6 months, it could take longer, another 10% drop in the U.S. dollar into the upper 80s. This is the U.S. dollar index. I'm going to leave it at that for this week's Bitcoin analysis. You have a great week.